Yeah, yeah, come on, check it.
Okay guys, today we're gonna do some kind of new approach in terms of teaching you in this level. Now, our today's topic is gerund. In this lesson, we'll learn some other features of gerund, how to use in a sentence. Last lesson, we learned about infinitive cases. Now, firstly, gerund is used for general sense. It can be used in general cases, firstly. For example, smoking is detrimental to our health. But if we say here to smoke instead of smoking, it's used for a particular case. Jogging at least for a short distance in the morning can help you maintain physical well-being. Here, jogging in general. For example, it can be related to anybody. Here, we're talking about general case. Secondly, gerund is also used in short prohibitions. While we are talking about prohibitions, some other bans, we need to use gerund here. Of course, we can use some kind of like extended structure here, but instead of gerund, we need to use here imperatives. Let's see an example here. No smoking. See, if there is something after smoking here, let's say no smoking a cigarette, is impossible to say in English. Instead, we should say do not smoke a cigarette. Or no hunting. No hunting tigers, birds, etc. impossible. But do not hunt antelopes is possible in English. Now we are coming to the third point in which gerund can be used. After most phrasal verbs, gerund can come automatically. Mostly in look forward to, take to, be, become, get, use to, or get accustomed to, etc. Gerund is required in making up a sentence. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting with the president again. Or he took to ringing us up in the middle of the night. Or one more, he's an early bird. He's used to waking up early in the morning. Doesn't mean this is the end of lesson, it's just beginning. Soon, we'll upload some other different videos about gerund and infinitive. See you.